Hi friends, and welcome to another Heffy Doodle card making video. Today we are creating a fun beach scene. For this we are using the Scalloped Imperial frames, the Rolling Hills cover, a little Shellfish, Happily Ever Crafter, Oceans of Love, and You Go, Gull. We are making a shaker card today, so I am using the 3mm deep foam tape by Heffy Doodle. And as the shaker elements we are using the Covesea sparkle mix. Now let me show you how I color this sand castle. This castle is actually the castle from Happily Ever Crafter, and I turned it into a sand castle. For this card we are using different elements from different stamp sets. As you know, we are having a clearance sale because Heffy Doodle is unfortunately closing. But the good news for you is that a couple of these stamp sets are still available at heavily reduced prices, so go grab yours before it's gone. Now let me tell you something about my coloring. I'm using a combination of browns, so that is the E series in Copic markers, and yellows, that is the Y series in Copic markers. I'm starting to lay down my shadows with the brown markers. Once we have the shadows down, I am going to switch to the yellow markers. I'm taking a Y11 and blending it out with Y00 and Y000. After finishing that up, I'm going back in to deepen my shadows with the browns. I'm using the E50 marker to blend together my yellows and my browns. I'm taking my darkest markers and I'm laying down some dots. This helps to create a sandy texture. And of course, I'm finishing my image by adding some highlights with a jelly roll marker. For my background, I am blending some white pigment ink over a piece of Cornflower Heffy Doodle cardstock. I add some splatters with white acrylic paint for some interest. Leave your panel to dry very well before adding the sparkle mix. I also coated my panel with some anti-static powder. I did this for the window as well, before adding the sparkle mix to my background. I cut these hills using the Rolling Hills cover dies, and I colored them in the same way I did the sandcastle. And now it's time for my favorite part, putting everything together. The sentiment I'm using is from the Pebble Sentiment stamp set, which has coordinating dies, and it's still available in the shop as well. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I encourage you to visit the shop because when the stamps are gone, they are gone forever. See you soon. Bye!